Massivit raised $5 million. Massivit is another large format 3D printing company. And a number of these companies, both Big Rep and a few others, have been raising funding and looking at going public and that kind of thing, finding other ways of raising capital, which makes sense because this section of the 3D printing market has a lot of value. There's a lot of big, chunky plastic parts out there that can benefit from printing because they're generally not terribly high volume. The customization can be really valuable, and they work economically because they're able to use raw beads as a form of extrusion. So large format machines have a ton of utility that is currently being underutilized. So the fact that that has occurred is not terribly surprising. $5 million is very good. It's not a radically large startup funding round, but it's not a small one either. It's certainly not a seed stage type of round. That's like a Series A, maybe even a Series B. I think they're calling it pretty much a Series A, but Massivit has been around for a while. And yeah, large format printing is a really good place for that, and it should get more funding, and a lot more people should pursue that because furniture, large fixtures, that kind of thing, car prototyping, that kind of stuff, all of those benefit from printing, sand casting, that kind of stuff. All of those large format printing really, really help with. So it should get more attention than it historically ever has. So it's great. This is good news for the industry as a whole.